Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to count the total number of checkboxes in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet and make sure your data is already inserted. Click on the cell where you want the total count of checkboxes to appear. Start by typing an equal sign. Then type sum followed by COUNTIF. Now enter the range that contains your checkboxes. For example, if your checkboxes are in cells A1 to A10, enter that range inside the parenthesis. Checkboxes in Google Sheet return true when they are checked and false when they are unchecked. So set the condition to true. After that, close both parentheses and press enter. Your formula is now set up and it will count all the checkboxes automatically. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.